Hi everyone, welcome to the 2024-2025 Sophomore Year Overview. My name is Jennifer Django Cohen and I am the school counselor for the graduating classes of 2025 and 2027. It's been such a pleasure getting to know students last year as freshmen, and I'm excited to continue working with them in their 10th grade year. If you'd like to connect with me, my email is listed here. You're also welcome to schedule an appointment through the school counseling website. Here is a screenshot of the school counseling homepage. You'll notice several tabs to explore. The most important one to bookmark is the Book an Appointment link located on the left-hand side of the page. When you click on it, you'll be able to view my availability and select a time that works for you. We also have a variety of resources on our website that cover the 3 domains of school counseling: academic, social emotional, and college and career. I encourage you to visit our site and explore everything we have to offer there. Today we'll cover several key topics related to sophomore year. First, we'll talk about the student-parent-counselor relationship. Then we'll explore community service expectations and study skills. Next, we'll review a transcript, GPA information, and the A through G college requirements. I'll provide an overview about our college and career readiness tool called SCORE and touch on testing options for sophomores. Finally, we'll close with a year overview and actionable to-dos. So to begin, there are 3 important players in a successful sophomore year: the student, the parent, and counselor. For students, this is a great year to reflect on future goals, whether that's college, career, or both. It's also the perfect time to develop strong organizational systems for homework and assignments and deadlines. A good calendar or a reminder system can make a big difference in managing responsibilities, and it's also essential to build positive relationships with teachers. Now's the time to practice asking for help, attending RTI, and staying proactive. For parents, you may help your student by encouraging and supporting them without taking over their responsibilities. Sophomore year is an opportunity for students to gain greater independence. You can support them in having conversations about life after high school and help them to stay on track with their academic and personal goals. As your counselor, I'm here to connect students and families with resources, opportunities, and support. Please feel free to reach out to me if you need assistance or if your student faces challenges. Sophomore year brings increased academic expectations. While the average high school student in the United States studies a total of 19 minutes a night, this is not sufficient to support high achievement. Therefore, students should aim to dedicate 1 to 2 hours each night to studying, organizing, or preparing for upcoming assignments and tests. This can include reading, reviewing notes, or engaging in meaningful activities like community service that align with their future goals. Now let's discuss community service. For the class of 2027, students are expected to complete 30 hours of community service before graduation. Each year, students should complete a portion of this. Sophomores are expected to complete 8 hours this year, with at least 4 hours each semester. This ensures that a student accrues the correct number of hours and passes their Pathways class each semester. Community service opportunities must be pre-approved by the Pathways teacher. Forms are available in the main office, and I also recommend checking with Jordy in the main office or visiting his table in the cafeteria for local opportunities. Now let's move on to academics. Here's an example of a Semester 1 sophomore year transcript. You will notice on the left-hand side of some classes that there is a small P. This P indicates that a class is college prep and will be used in certain GPA calculations. Let's zoom in on the highlighted breakdown of the different GPA types. The 9 through 12 academic GPA includes all core academic college prep classes and is the GPA that many private and out-of-state colleges will consider. The 10 through 12 academic GPA averages sophomore to senior year grades and is the GPA that the California university and college systems look at. The total GPA includes all classes, both college prep and other, such as PE, teacher's assistant, learning center, etc. Now, the North Tahoe High School graduation requirements are very closely aligned with the California university and college systems, and we will explore this further when we meet for our individual learning plan meetings later in the year. Ultimately, the goal is for students to enroll in balanced schedules to ensure they are able to manage their responsibilities while still feeling challenged. Now, let's review the A through G requirements for admission to University of California and California State University schools. Here you will see the A through G course list. Each letter indicates a specific subject. For the A requirement, history, 2 years are required for A through G eligibility. Students are required to enroll in 3 years at North Tahoe High School, so this requirement will naturally be met. 4 years of English, or B category, is required for both A through G and North Tahoe High School. 3 years of the C category, math, is also required for both A through G and North Tahoe High School, but 4 years are recommended for college admission. For the D category, science, 2 years are required for both A through G and North Tahoe High School, but again, 4 years are recommended for college. The E category, a language other than English, is where students will typically fulfill this with the Spanish class. This is an A through G requirement only, but these classes may also count towards elective credit at North Tahoe High School. A year of a visual or performing art is required for the F category. And finally, students must complete 1 year of any college prep elective to count towards G. Students must earn a C or higher in these classes for them to count towards A through G eligibility as well. For students who struggled in a college prep class and earned a D or an F, there are opportunities for credit recovery through online program called Edgenuity that we offer. We make a point to connect with students who would benefit from this, and please reach out if you would like to discuss this option for your student as well. This year, students will start exploring college and career options through the SCORE program, which is accessible through Clever on their student Chromebook. SCORE offers tools to research colleges and careers. Students may take interest inventories, and it allows students to manage their college applications in the future. Students are also given the opportunity to invite their parents to join SCORE, so they may work together on the exploration process. Now let's move on to testing. Sophomore year is the first time students may take the PSAT, which is a practice exam for the SAT. While many colleges are test optional, high scores can still help with scholarships or course placement in college. This exam was held back in October here, and juniors will have another opportunity to take the exam next year. In the meantime, there are helpful study supports located on Khan Academy and collegeboard.org. Students in AP courses like AP Human Geography or AP Spanish are given the option to take AP exams at the end of the year. These exams may potentially be used towards college credit if students earn scores of 3, 4, or 5, with 5 being the highest. Students are now well into their high school careers, so to make the most of this year, students should focus on maintaining strong grades, since this is when GPA calculations for admission to public California colleges begin. They should also reflect on their current schedule to inform future decisions about course options for next year, and we will discuss this with students in February. Students should make sure to become involved in activities that bring joy and passion, such as sports, clubs, or volunteering. And at the same time, they should keep the idea of balance in the forefront of their minds. Ultimately, it's important to be challenged, but also to prioritize wellness. So thank you for joining me for today's presentation. I'm excited to support you and your student throughout sophomore year. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to email, call, or schedule an appointment with me. Thank you.